Did you know that there are nearly 200 million searches happening on Pinterest every single day? And that we as business owners have tools available to us on Pinterest to help us leverage those searches? Hey, y'all, I'm Erica, Pinterest marketing strategist, helping business owners make Pinterest marketing easy to understand with simple strategies that get results. In today's video, I want to share with you the one tool that you need to be using with your Pinterest marketing strategy, the tool that will help you leverage the searches that are already happening on Pinterest. Now, as we get started today, I want you to give me the thumbs up down below if you would like to take advantage of those 200 million searches that are happening on Pinterest every single day and get more traffic to your business. I know that I'm here for it. And the thing is, Pinterest has given us a tool that will help us leverage those daily searches and also do things like plan our content and our marketing promotions that may fall around Black Friday. Do you know what it is? It's the Pinterest Trends tool. The Pinterest Trends tool is a historic view of specific search terms across different regions and countries. You can use it to see when various keywords or keyword phrases start trending and what content is popular on Pinterest at any given time for your specific audience. Wait, what? Pinterest is giving us access to a trends tool to let us know when keywords or topics for our specific niche are trending? Oh yes, I'm serious. It is amazing. They're giving us insight into when topics and keywords are trending, plus when they start trending, meaning when searches start happening for a specific piece of content or a topic or keyword, so you can see when that topic is peaking. Now, I know this all might sound a little too good to be true, so let's hop into a live view of what it looks like and how the Pinterest Trends tool works as it relates to searches. Okay, I wanted to jump into the Pinterest Trends tool so you could get an idea of what this really looks like and how it works and understand also how to access it. So if you are logged into your Pinterest account and then the search bar, you type in trends.pinterest.com. I believe some accounts you may also be able to access it through the business dropdown. I, for some reason, don't have it on my account, but I know some of my clients do. But again, just type in trends.pinterest.com. And this is actually new right here. It is showing me that I have pins that are matching up with trends within the career category on Pinterest. But for the sake of this little quick training, I want to use the search term Christmas gifts because it always blows my mind seeing how this looks for this keyword or this keyword phrase. Now, when you type in your keyword phrase, in this instance, we are using Christmas gift, you can see the historical data. So it is giving us all the way back to February of 2022. At the time of the recording of this, it's February 2023. And it shows you it's pretty flat line for the majority of the year. And then once we start heading into fall, specifically into September, the searches for Christmas gifts start increasing and they really go up once we head into October and then also into November. So November 25th, that's probably right around Thanksgiving or the Black Friday holiday. They peak on December 9th and then they kind of tank off after that, after the holiday, of course, which makes sense. So the way we're going to use this, if you are somebody who has a product that is a Christmas gift, or your product can be a Christmas gift, we need to use this to know when we are going to start sharing that product on Pinterest or creating new pins to pin on Pinterest with the search term or with the keyword Christmas gifts. And this is telling us that it needs to be in September. Like I would start with some light pins of that product with some Christmas gift keywords in September, really hitting it hard in October because of some of the lag time that you sometimes see on Pinterest. Starting early, by the time these searches are really taken off, you're already there. You're already top of mind. You're already in front of your audience because your pins are there and they've been searched for already. The second thing that I want to mention about this tool that I love is we put in Christmas gifts, but down here are related trends. So these are additional keyword phrases that we can use for our keywords that we're using or for our trends. So we have small Christmas ideas or just general gifts, gift ideas, small gifts, Christmas gifts. So what if we type in, or what if we click on small Christmas gifts? Now or small gifts actually. So this shows us on the graph how this keyword phrase compares to Christmas gifts. So you can see Christmas gifts is actually spiking. But if we're the Christmas gift is here in the blue. Small gift ideas is actually spiking and peaking more in December than just Christmas gifts. So that is something to keep in mind when you're doing your keyword research and when you're looking to pin these products. That small gift ideas might be a better, more popular term to use than just Christmas gifts. Now, if you scroll down, you can see some additional demographics data. I think this is also newly added, but it gives you an idea of the age demographics for those search terms. So if you are running ads, maybe you wanted to run some holiday ads or ads around the holidays for your products, this is going to give you an idea of what age demographics and categories you should choose within your audience targeting inside of your ad campaign, and also the keywords and how they are searching out those keywords.
And there it is, the secret tool that you need to be using on Pinterest for your Pinterest marketing strategy. Now, I am not lying when I say that using this tool has been a game changer when I'm creating strategies for my Pinterest marketing clients, as well as my Pinterest marketing strategy for my own business. Knowing when to lean into the topics for your business is going to give you a leg up on your competition, because you're going to be showing up in search results at the exact right moment when your audience is searching. If you like today's video and you want to learn more about keywords specifically, check out this video over here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on the Pinterest party. I'll see you next time, and happy pinning!